With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is an 8 kg block of ice released from the rest at the top of 1.5 meter long smooth ramp and slide down and fall with a velocity 2.5 meter per second. Find the angle of the ramp with the horizontal. So we have A, B, C, D option is given here. So we have to find which option is correct. So the solution of this question is, firstly we can draw the diagram for it. So this is our smooth ramp and this is our horizontal surface here, and here is our ice block is placed ice. So in this direction we have the acceleration A, and we have the here we have the mg sin theta, and we have the mg sin theta here, and this is mg cos theta, and this is mg here, and this is mg sin theta, and we have acceleration in this direction, and this is the theta here. So let the ice block is coming down with the acceleration A in this direction. So we can write here, let the ice block coming down with acceleration A. So using the formula equation of motion, v square is equals to u square minus v square minus u square is equals to 2as. V is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, and we have 2as. So we have the v is 2.5 meter per second, and u is 0, initial velocity is 0, and s is 1.5 meter here. So we can put the values here. So we get 2.5 square minus 0 square is 0, and 2a, and s is 1.5. So from this we can write here, this is 6.25, and this is 3a. So from this we get acceleration is 3 into 2.08 meter per second square, and we have ma, mass into acceleration, is equals to, for this component we have mass into acceleration is equals to mg sin theta. So we have ma is equals to mg sin theta here. So from this m and m cancel out, so we get sin theta is equals to acceleration divided by gravity, acceleration due to gravity here. So we have a value is 2.08 and g is 9.8 here, or we can take this as approximately 10. So we can write this as, this is 0.28 here. So this is our sin theta, and we have the theta is sine inverse, and we have 0.28, and this is equals to 12 degree here. So this is the angle, that is 12 degree. So this is the answer for this question. Now we check which option is correct here. So our option A is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.